Hi folks, I'm Jeff, and the good folks over at Associated Equipment sent me this Intellimatic smart charger. Now this is model ESS 6008 MSK. Now this is very useful in your shop because it's a battery charger, it's a smart charger, it will provide clean power, 70 amps, and it can also recondition batteries. So this is a really nice charger to have in your shop, because on this charger you can actually hook this up when you're doing your diagnostics, when you're doing your smoke tests, and a lot of times we have to raise the vehicles in order to check underneath if we're doing a smoke test, in order to actuate actuators and see that if they're working and the smoke stops, or different things that we're doing. This can also do reflash power. And like I said, let me show you one thing that's going to make this even better. Is this comes with 6-foot battery cables, and in order to make this better in your shop, you can order optional 16-foot cables. Added 16-foot optional cables, so we can have this sitting on the ground